$5.61 for gas? Yeah, I'd say that's quite a bit.
Should take a picture of it.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, no. The wife said she wanted to see it up here. I told her she ain't missing shit.
Get lost.
Well,
She makes the wrong fucking turn. I don't know. I think those are fucking drill, or they might be. They might move those things, man. You might be able to move those. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I don't know what the hell they are.
I think like in the wintertime they move those motherfuckers. Because they're not pumping the oil right there. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Those are where they fucking drill, right?
Well, that's what I would think.
Drill rig. That's what they call the drill rig. That beautiful yellow.
Man, that is a beautiful fucking handrail.
The fucking Jersey barriers.
Oh man, I can see those Jersey barriers a mile away, bro.
That's not the $10,000 rebuild.
Yeah. Out there grinding it all down by
I wonder how
hand.
much that costs, dude. There's like 7 people in there.
Oh look, that's like the first person I've seen working all day. Maybe he's working. Maybe he just didn't want to walk across the yard.
Yeah. So you know that guy in front of us that was going down the stairs at the airport?
Yeah.
You know, to get down there?
Yeah.
He was up the 3rd floor by where I was at. He was sweating bullets, dude.
What's that? And we might be able to get 3 days out of that one.